Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm just going to show you a little edit so that you can see how I made this picture look like this in just a few minutes in Lightroom Mobile. And I just want to show you my workflow with this video and how I edited this picture, because not every picture is edited the same, as you hopefully know. I think you know. Anyway, I'll show you how it works and let's jump straight into Lightroom. By the way guys, look at this strange setup. I've got my phone light right there. Got that light on. I've got that light on. I've got pretty much every light in my room switched on just so that I can get this area right here a little bit lit so that I can be talking where my hand is right now and it is lit up. So yeah, I'm just saying, like, professional setup and stuff. So guys, now we are in Lightroom and here is our raw picture, and there is one thing I forgot to mention, and that is that at the end I will be showing you a speed edit, just the whole edit I'm doing now without me speaking, just in 30 seconds or something, fast forward. So if you just want to see that, you can go to the last minute of the video and you see that. In case you want to hear what I was thinking when I was editing, or when I am editing this picture, then stay and watch the first few minutes of this video as well. So I have already cropped this image and tilted it just so that the composition looks pretty much right. So we're going to start with the exposure, and this picture is much too dark, so we shall up the exposure to about 0.7, I think that's fine. Contrast I normally don't touch, and then the highlights we go down with them to maybe minus 38, that should be fine. So the shadows we are going to pump up to maybe 48, that's fine. And for this picture I want it to look white. Like, this picture now is pretty neutral, but I want it to get this white, maybe even chrome look. So I'm going to push up the whites, but not too much, that's almost too much there. Maybe to 40, that's fine, I think. Let's go to 40, yeah, that's good. And the blacks just down to maybe 5, where's -5? That's fine. We don't want that much contrast in these controls, because the contrast we're going to do with the curves right here. So we just make our 3 checkpoints and then adjust the highlights a little. And don't worry, after doing the curves, this picture is going to look rather over-saturated and very, very blue, but that is okay. We are going to change that later. Just get the shadows here and pump up the blacks. That's good. Okay, so then the colors we'll do last. We can add a little minus temperature here already. Just because it's supposed to be a winter picture. You can't really see if it's winter or summer, but it's actually a winter picture. I took it just a few days ago. So clarity, we don't want to add too much, because then it looks over-processed. We'll keep it at about 14. Yeah, is that okay? Yeah, let's keep it at 15, that's fine. And then Dunstentfernen, I still don't know what you call this in English, but we'll pump it up quite a lot, I think, like 40. I think 40 is good for this effect. And we don't need vignetting. So then let's get to the colors. So now you can see the picture looks very, very blue. And I want this, well, what is this? Electronic pole, or whatever you want to call it, to pop a little more. It's already popping quite well. It's yellow and blue, so it's got some nice color contrast. But still, I'm going to completely over-exaggerate the exposure to maybe 80. Is that good? I don't know. Maybe... yeah, let's keep it like 87, that's good. So you probably think, what on earth are you doing? This looks horrible. Well, we are going to go to the mix, to the HSL is what it's called, I think, in English. And yeah, let's have a look. Yellows. We are going to change the yellows to red, to maybe about minus 88, that's good. Now this looks completely ridiculous, you might be thinking, but we're going to take the saturation down as well to maybe minus 69. That's good. And now comes something I really like to play with in my photos right now, and that is the luminance, which is just the brightness of the color you have selected. And for yellow we are now going to go, well, not that far up, like 57-ish, yeah, that's fine. And now comes the part where the magic happens, you could almost say, that makes this picture looks far better in my opinion, and that is to crush the blues. I don't want those blues to be that strong. So first of all we're going to desaturate these blues to maybe 72, yeah that's fine, 73, doesn't matter, that's good. And this already looks much better in my opinion, but now comes the thing I really love to do in this picture, and that is the luminance. If you darken it, it gets very moody, but somehow the wrong way of moody in my opinion. It just doesn't look good. So we're going to increase the luminance, and that's going to brighten up the sky, the blue parts of the sky, and that looks amazing in my opinion. I think this looks really cool. And now you just have a rather white sky with some blue, some little patches of blue, and this pole in the middle, and with a light red tint, you could say. And that's pretty much it actually. I don't think I need to change anything else. Here you have the before and after. I think this is a really good change. This picture is pretty much done for me, I think. Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. I've uploaded this picture actually already. This is not the live edit, I'm just editing it again. So I've uploaded this picture already to Instagram yesterday, no, that was today, just a few hours ago. And yeah, so I hope this edit was fun or helpful or whatever for you, if you stuck around until now. I mean, I don't think this video is that long yet, is it? Yeah, it's just 8 minutes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and here's a speed edit, and that's it for today. See you the next time.